Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can manage game mode on your headphones Sony Pulse 3D. If you press chat button, you will make the game quieter than other players, right here. And if you press the game button at the top, you will make other players quieter than the game, right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!